Hey pals and palettes, welcome back to my channel. It's Gurpdala from Capture Studio, and this is the beautiful look we're going to be creating today. We're going to focus more around the eyes, so if you want to see how to achieve this, please keep on watching. We're going to start off by prepping our skin with the Versali Unicorn Essence Serum, and this is so beautiful because it really helps prep the skin and it smells amazing. So you can just use this as a primer if you wish. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. color correcting stick. This was the first time trying this out, and honestly, it was really nice. It kind of reminds me of the NYX one that I used in my last video, but this blends out a little bit more softer. I'm taking the Vichy foundation in number 25 and applying that all over to even out my skin tone. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to be applying this in a triangular shape underneath my eyes and along my nose, and then blending this out. I'm also taking this in the middle of my nose and around my lips just to make that area a little bit more highlighted. I'm going to be taking the Pure Cosmetics contour stick and just apply this into my contour areas because I have my hair up on one side, so I wanted that to look really nice and contoured. I'm taking the Too Faced translucent powder and pressing this to set my under eyes, and then bronzing up my skin with the Vasanti Brazilian Tan bronzer, which is such a beautiful bronzer. It's not too cool or too warm tone. I'm using Life's a Peach by Vasanti and applying this onto my cheeks. For the eyeshadow, we're going to start off with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and taking this shade right here called Sandalwood, I'm applying this into my upper crease, and I'm kind of going back and forth and rounding out the outer corners. To diffuse the top of Sandalwood, I'm going to be taking Demure, also from the same palette, and apply that above this shade. And this is just going to create such a soft blend. Once I'm done that, I'm going to move on to the outer corners, and I just want this outer corner to be very soft. I don't want a lot of definition there. I just want it to be a seamless color that is on the lid and pulls out to the outer corner. And I'm going to be taking Pink Diamond onto my actual mobile lid. This is such a soft formula, so I did go in with my brush, but you can definitely use your fingers. I just want it to be a light wash and blend into that outer corner color. This is such a pretty way to create a soft look, and you guys can rock this for any party, like a Maya party or a ladies party. And today is Diwali, so happy Diwali to everyone, and you guys can definitely even try this out for a Diwali party. I am going to go in with a dramatic winged liner because I just wanted something that draws the attention to the eye, gives it a little bit more definition since we're not doing that with the eyeshadows that much. I'm going to be applying some mascara and then some falsies. These are Trophy Wife by Pink Orchid, and just get the middle in first and then pop in the outer and inner corners. Please don't mind the eczema on my face. I am getting some dry patches as well. It's just the weather, and I've been actually working on something to combat it, so I might do a skincare routine soon. I'm going to be taking ColourPop Perception palette and taking this blue shade underneath. I just wanted to reflect that teal color in my outfit and bring back some blue in the eye, which I love doing. It just gives you some definition. I really like doing this when I'm wearing blues because I don't have to use a really dark black eyeshadow, so I just went in with that color. On my cheeks, I'm taking Fuego by Dose of Colors, and I'm also using this kind of like how I would put blush on my cheeks, and I just love how it gives you that glow from within. That's a good trick. So take a little bit of the highlighter and apply it on your apples of your cheeks. For my lips, I actually decided to go in with Spice by MAC, and I accidentally overdrew my lips quite a bit, and I didn't know if I was going to like it or how this was going to turn out, so I had to balance out the bottom lip as well. But for the lip color, I went in with Lolita 2 by Kat Von D and just applied that all over. It's this really beautiful peachy color, and it just worked so nicely with the outfit. Taking my jewelry, the earrings are from Baris Jewelers, and this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this quick tutorial. It's so perfect for beginners as well, but it looks so well put together. I love how the cheeks turned out. I'm also going to be showing you how to pin your dupatta because this was so requested on Instagram and on my channel. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.